everyone, welcome to episode 38 of Learn With Me. Today's topic is digital marketing mistakes companies do. Number one is not having a blog. If you have listened to my other two episodes before this one comes out, it was about blog and the ways that you can get traffic. And there's many ways you can get traffic, and it will help your company. So not having a blog, you are missing on a lot of audience, a lot of people. If you are selling something, maybe a lot of sales. But number two is going to be not having a mobile friendly website or a user base. So if you have a website and let's say is not mobile friendly user, a lot of people would miss out from your business and they will go to your competitors. So going to number three is ignoring your competitor. Like, you know your competitor, but you really don't keep update with them. I'm not telling you to be obsessed with them, but keeping in check with your competitors, because they can do something which can put you down on the ranks on Google, whatever type of site you're ranking on or getting your traffic from. If you ignore them, there's a lot of things wrong could happen. So that is number three. Do not ignore your competitors. Number four is making a broad audience. Like, targeting a broad audience is a wrong mistake. Like, you are setting your company for a failure if you're actually just targeting people like too broad, because you don't have anyone to focus on. And if you have too many options, you do not pick any options. There's a quote on that. I do not know which person is, but that is my favorite. So don't target really broadly. That is number four. Number five, not using keywords research. Keyword research could be for your product, for your new blog if you don't have a blog, and not just using keyword. It is a wrong mistake for any type of business. It could be for your YouTube channel, for your company, for your service. There's a lot of types of mistakes which you can do with keyword research. Number six is the bonus one. Number six is ignoring social media or avoiding social media. I done this mistake myself, so I can totally relate, because I don't really post on social media, so I try to avoid social media. I don't really care that much to my business, because I target to my audience quite locally. Social media do not help, but avoiding social media, we are losing on many things, and I should saying that to myself. So as I'm updating my business and like renewing my business, I will use these things to myself. So thank you for listening to episode 38 of Learn With Me. And we are going to be going through this journey together as fixing these digital marketing mistakes. And I'm going to be seeing you the next Friday.